siya, hindi ko joke. Kasi mali pa. Tsaka nag-umpisa pa lang yung friendship natin. Hindi pa tayo gano'ng magkahalala. Sana, mas lumalim pa yung pagsasamahan natin. Yan, wish you happy birthday.
Thank you so much, Miss Carla. Next, we have Mr. Michael San.
Pumusing pa. May tito.
Kinakabahan ako? Ring? Regalo kung saan na lang ba ito eh. Dedication ko sa'yo, just stay happy. Stay happy and keep your feet on the ground. Kahit sumikat ka na, huwag mo kami kakalimutan. Kasi, alam mo naman, yeah. We are here for the last 5 years. Yes. Ilan ka pa rin pinagbago? Basta gagawin. Tama na, thank you. Salamat. Next we have Miss Jennifer Intan.
Susunod na ako? Yung iba pwede sa kanila kami papupo kaya yung tabi nila. Yung nauna doon sa tabi ng table. Sige pa, Mikey. Wow, sexy.
Thank you, ma'am. Next we have Miss Mary Jane Haya.
Happy birthday, Carla. We wish you more birthdays to come and may you have more blessings.
Tago mo lang.
Thank you